Hey, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the SoftPro Iron Master water filtration system to see if it's the right solution for your needs. This is our top-selling iron filter for those with well water applications. The SoftPro Iron Master water filtration system is an effective, economical, and chemical-free way to remove massive amounts of iron content as well as sulfur and manganese from your water. Excessive iron content is annoying and a costly problem that creates ugly red brownish staining on fixtures, clothing, and appliances. Excessive iron clogs your pipes, shower heads, and faucets, leaving these brownish, insoluble rust particles everywhere. Excessive iron, sulfur, and manganese can also lead to increased health risks for you and your family. High amounts also create bad odors, tastes, and accelerated corrosion from your water. The Iron Master will remove iron from your water up to 30 parts per million. This is a huge amount since other iron filters only remove a mere 15 to 30% of what the Iron Master can do. The Iron Master will also remove any sulfur content, up to 5 parts per million, and remove manganese up to an amazing 7 parts per million. What we like about the SoftPro Iron Master water filtration system is that it efficiently removes excessive amounts of iron, sulfur, and manganese using air induction oxidation technology for optimal filter performance. This filter works by adding oxygen to the incoming water by passing it through a bubble of compressed air. The water then passes through a special filter bed that not only increases the pH of the water to enhance iron removal, but also acts as a physical barrier to trap iron. This is not only more effective than using messy chemicals, but also costs significantly less than expensive pumps and external venturized systems. The SoftPro Iron Master water filtration system is low maintenance, and with its lifetime warranty on the control valve and tank, it's just another reason why customers love it. We hope this review has helped you narrow down which filter is the best fit for your needs. And if you need even more details, be sure to check out our full in-depth review in the description below. If you have any questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.